This glowing edge effect is everywhere right now, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it in After Effects using the easiest method. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's create a new composition. Give it a name as per your wish, and you can see my composition settings on the screen. First of all, I am going to create the shape. And here I'm going to select the rounded rectangle tool. Make sure your fill is turned on. And now I'm going to create a rounded rectangle in this composition. And let's align it to the center. Also, I renamed this layer as button. Now I'm going to open its rectangle properties, and under the rectangle path 1 I will increase the roundness to create a rounded button just like this. Then next thing is that I'm going to use a linear gradient. So you can create your own gradient as I created here. Next thing is that this is a gradient color point, so we can adjust the gradient by adjusting the points. To animate this gradient points, you have to open the shape properties, and under the gradient stroke option, you will get a start and end point. And you can manipulate the points from here. So I am going to add a keyframe on it, and then I move forward around 1 second, and then I change its point position just like this. Then I move forward a bit and then change the color points once again. So I animated the gradient color by changing the color points manually. So after animating the gradient color points, this is the final result. Now it looks like colorful lines are moving around these edges. Next, I'm going to animate this stroke line, and for that I am going to add a trim path to this shape layer. And then we are going to play with the end value of the trim path. But before that, I'm going to turn off the fill option for now, and then I go to the first frame and add a keyframe on the end value and change it to 0. Then I go to the 2-second mark and increase the value to around 100%. So you can see how it will animate. But as we want to move the line around the edges, for that I'm going to use the offset value. So to animate this first, I add the keyframe on the offset value, then I go to the first frame and change its value to around -150 degrees. So we will get this kind of animation. Next, I select all the keyframes and ease them to smooth out the animation. Also, I change the speed graph just like this. And now it looks perfect. Next, I'm going to glow up this design, and for that I'm going to use the glow effect. You can play with the glow settings as I am doing here. And then I'm going to duplicate this glow effect one more time and change its radius as well as the threshold. Then I'm going to duplicate it multiple times and adjust its threshold and radius values. So as you can see, I'm using 4 glow effects, but you can use 3 or 2 as per your requirement. The main thing is how you can use the properties of the radius and the threshold to get your desired look. So once you have created your glowing line, it's time to duplicate this shape layer. Then I select all the glow effects from this layer and delete them. Also, I turn on the fill option of this layer as well. Next thing is that I also removed the trim path keyframes from this shape layer. And most importantly, don't forget to turn off the stroke of this shape layer. Now it looks good. Now, if you want, you can add your own text just like this and place it under this button. Also, if you want to animate this text, simply select the ellipse tool and create a mask over the text. Then, I open the mask path property and add the keyframe. Then I go back to the first frame and change the mask path just like this. Then select all the keyframes and ease them as well to make the motion smoother. Then I open the mask feather property and increase it to get a smoother reveal just like this. Also, I duplicate this layer and slide it forward a bit. Then I select the bottom text layer and change its color to a different one to get this kind of text reveal effect. And lastly, I select the bottom shape layer and then change its track matte to the layer below it. By doing this, you will see that the glowing colors are only visible inside the button and not outside it. However, if you want to change it, simply click on this icon and now it's inverted. And we get a clean and elegant edge glow effect. So that's how you can create a glowing edge animation in After Effects. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.